demineralization process of the ion exchange process. Okay. So here we have to take. So what is the hard water? What is hard water? So hard water. So that is produced together with soap solution. This is the hard water. Soft water is produced the
soap solution.
Soft water means it is only the calcium. There is the this hard water. Hard water means calcium and magnesium free ions. So soft water means calcium and magnesium free ions. But it contains other ions. That is remember it may be the sodium ions, Na plus and K plus ions. So this type of ions present in the soft water. So whatever. So soft water is not demineralized water. So here in this process we have to collect the water. That is nothing but the deionized water or demineralized water. So here this water. So soft water is the not demineralized water, but demineralized water is the what is this? Soft water. Okay, that's it. So here soft water it is only for the we have to remove it only the calcium and magnesium ions only. Calcium and magnesium salts. The calcium and magnesium ions are present in the water. So only remove what is this? By this process. So here demineralization process means you have to remove all types of the ions. So there is nothing but both calcium and magnesium ions and also other anions and cations. There is nothing but Na plus and K plus ions. This type of ions also we can easily remove with the help of the demineralization process of the ion exchange process. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about what is the demineralization process of the ion exchange process. So here, so in this process we have to take there are two cylinders. So it may be the cylinder or the column. So here first cylinder it is nothing but the cation exchanger cylinder or the cation exchange column. Next one is the anion exchanger column or anion exchange cylinder. Okay, that's it. So here first cylinder it is nothing but so it connects cation exchanger cylinder. It connects cation exchange resins. So it connects the cation exchange resins, that is nothing but the RH2. So RH2 is nothing but cation exchange resin. So here this resin it is used only for the it is used to observe the cationic impurities present in the hot water. So hot water containing so both cations and anions of the calcium and magnesium salts. For example, we have to take the calcium. For example, we have to take the hot water. This hot water containing, for example, calcium chloride salt. That is the CaCl2. So if this water containing this salt is nothing but calcium chloride means what is this? So this salt it is the minus 2 Cl2 plus and 2Cl minus ions. Cl2 plus and 2Cl minus ions. So here this cation exchanger column or cation exchanger cylinder it contains only the cation exchange. So it is nothing but cation exchange resins. So that is in the mention RH2 it absorbs only the cationic impurities. That is nothing but Ca2 plus ions. Okay, so this cylinder containing RH2. This RH2 absorb only the cationic impurities present in the hot water. That is cations of the hot water. So this hot water containing CaCl2 means it absorb only the Ca2 plus ions. Okay. So then it convert what is this RH2. RH2 react with so the cation exchange resin react to the calcium chloride ions. So then it produces RCa. So after the water, so coming of the cation exchanger cylinder. So this cation exchanger column contains what is RCa. It contains the RCa, that is nothing but cationic impurities. This cylinder containing cationic impurities. So after the cation exchanger column, so the water is called the cationic free water. The water coming out from the cation exchanger column, it is nothing but cationic free water. Cationic free water means there is no cationic impurities present in particular hot water. Okay, that's it. So this cationic free water is passing through the another cylinder. So another cylinder containing anion exchange column or anion exchange cylinder. So it is nothing but it contains whatever. It is the R dash O dash. It contains cation exchange cylinder. It contains R dash H twice. Okay. So here it absorbs only the anionic impurities. Okay, cylinder 1, it absorbs the, what is this? Cl2 plus ions, cationic impurities. The remaining, the anionic impurities are goes to the another cylinder called the anion exchanger column. So it is absorb this anion exchanger column contains the anion exchange resin. So simply we have to mention the R dash OH twice. It absorbs only the anionic impurities. Remaining anionic impurities, what is this? Cl minus ions. Okay, Cl2 plus ions are absorbed by the cation exchanger column and Cl minus ions are absorbed by the cation exchanger column. So here it converts what is it? So what is the reaction? R 2HCl plus the R dash OH twice. So 2HCl plus the R dash OH twice. So that is the what is this? It is the anionic impurity. Cl minus is the anions. So that anions it can be absorbed by the what is this? Anion exchanger column. So then it is converted into R dash Cl2. So after the water coming out from the anion exchanger column, it absorbs the what is this anionic impurities. So then it is converted into R dash Cl2. So it is the anion exchanger cylinder. It is converted from the R dash OH2. That is the anion exchange resin to what is this anionic impurities. So after the water coming out from the anion exchanger cylinder, it is called the deionized water or the demineralized water. Its hardness is the 2 ppm. So 2 parts per million or the milligrams per liter. Okay. So now what is this? So this process after we have to collecting the deionized water. So now the cylinder 1 contains RCA, cylinder 2 contains R dash Cl2. Cylinder 1 contains RCA, cylinder 2 contains R dash Cl2. So now if you want to regenerate, so if you want to purify another hard water means you want to regenerate what is this? This cationic impurities into the cation exchange resin and the anionic impurities into anionic exchange resin. So here the cationic impurities it can be regenerated by passing dilute hydrochloric acid through the cation exchanger column. Okay, that is simply we have mentioned what is this RCA. Cylinder 1 contains RCA. It reacts with the what is this hydrochloric acid. So then it produces once again we have to regenerate the cation exchange resin. We can regenerate cation exchange resin. Same as the similarly. So cylinder 2 contains R dash Cl2. R dash Cl2. So now we want to regenerate anion exchange resin. That is the R dash OH twice by passing dilute like sodium hydroxide solution to the second cylinder. That is the anion exchanger column is ready. Once again we have to regenerate R dash OH twice. Okay, that's